What's up everybody, Lezima Designs here and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you guys the condo unit that I have. And please stay tuned on this condo episode. Hope you guys like it. So I'm going to show you guys the entire condo space and let's see it. So this is the unit and that's the kitchen right here. It's a 2-bedroom plus a den with a bonus room, and this is the bedroom 1. And then this is the common bathroom. And then washer and dryer. And this is a mini kitchen. It's really cute. And this is the master bedroom with a good size of a walk-in closet, which is really good. It's really nice. And this is another bathroom for the masters. So for the first time renters, I suggest for you guys to check all the rooms and all the details that you guys can see, cosmetics or damages that exist on the unit, and you guys will need to take pictures and take a note that you, upon moving in, you guys have these damages or existing conditions, so you guys will not be charged for your deposit fee. So this is the entry door, and this is the living space, and that is a existing counter space for the kitchen. There's a dining area, but they converted it into a den, so they get rid of the entire dining space and they converted it into an extra room for like an office or an extra little bedroom for guests. And they put this counter, a built-in counter for a small dining. It's a dining table, and there's a bar over here overlooking from the kitchen. So there's a washer and dryer in here with a foldable door. So here is the bedroom 1, and it's a good size for one bedroom for another bedroom. This is the closet. It's a mini closet. And then from here, it's a common bathroom right here. And there is a full shower. And then over here is the little kitchen. It's a very small kitchen, but it's really cute. So it's gonna be a little challenge for me because now I need to figure how am I gonna make my space and how am I gonna do a pantry here. So it's a little challenge. And there's a closet space here. I might convert this into a pantry, I don't know. So here I believe is gonna be the master bedroom with a little chandelier a granite table on the bedroom. Yeah, okay, so they didn't clean up that thing over there, which is a little annoying, but yeah, those kind of stuff that you guys might wanted to put on your list upon moving in, that they did not clean the vents and those existing dings on the wall, so they don't charge you for that, like the crazy charges that landlord can possibly charge you. And this is the walk-in closet. It's really a good size, with a shelf all the way up there. And then here is the master bath. It's another full bath with a big tub over here. So and then here's the extra office space, an extra room. There's nothing in here, but it's kind of nice that they have an extra den, so I can create this as my office or Tyron's playroom. So it's good that there's an existing fan, but the room does not have a fan. So yeah, so and then it's just like a quick tip for everybody that, okay, hold on, let me set this up. Okay, so it's a little tip for everybody who's like first time moving into a rental place, a rental home, or an apartment or condominium. Before you guys moving all your stuff, all your furniture, and everything, clean it first, like clean as fastly as you can to your satisfaction before moving all your stuff, so it's not hard for you to clean and manage everything. So that's another tip from me to you guys. Clean the unit first before moving all your furniture. So right now I took all my cleaning supplies and I'm gonna clean a little bit, and then for the rest of this week I'm gonna do my entire cleaning before my furniture comes in. Another tip is try everything. If everything will work, the waters, the toilet, flush all the toilet, and then see if the water in the shower is running. So, and also check if there's a hot water and cold water on the line. And then also if you can run your washer and dryer as well, you can do that too, just to make sure everything works. The fridge is working and cooling, and there's no damage on the shelves. All the compartments like this, I have like, this is a minor thing, but you guys might wanted to put that on your notes. And the gas stove, microwave, and your sinks. Tip that you cannot forget: try everything first and put notes upon moving in. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more makeovers. And this is Lezima Designs, upgrading homes.